Hi friends, today I'm going to show. Today is the day for to harvest of turmeric and how to cultivate the turmeric for next year. So when you look at, you can see two pond here. So this is little wide one. This is a kind of yes, the medium size. So look at this turmeric. We got it today. We got it from our garden. So when I say about this turmeric, we like this one piece of turmeric, we got it from Fiesta 5 years back. Then after that we put it in the ground, and every year after Easter we harvest it. So most of the time we get like this much turmeric, and what we do after that, we take the one of the main strong root and we cultivate one of this around May June. So actually we took it out the turmeric from the pond, and uh, and I'm going to show you how we cultivated it. See, I'm going to show you. See, this here, this is the one we are cultivating. Look at, there is a has a root all over. When you do the harvest of the turmeric, take out the strong one of the strong. See, when you see, you can see like this, not this kind of, take this kind of one main root, strong root. You can see all the root here, and even there's a new portion is coming out. So when you put it, see, put it inside, then don't put too much mud on it, soil on it. This is ready for next year, and we are planning to cultivate to take out this and going to put it in that pond too. So what we do, usually we have three spot, two on the pot, then one we will be putting in the ground. So why turmeric? Turmeric is very good with full of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric has got a anti-inflammatory and antioxidant product called curcumin. So why curcumin? Curcumin is so good for our health. It helps with the arthritis, and it has got a lot of other benefits. Even still studies are going on. So we can see a lot of turmeric product in the shop. It comes in powder form, capsule, tablet. So in my understanding, back home, long back, we used to boil it, then to get it dry, make it dry and powder it. But the new study is saying if you do like that, we are losing the amount of curcumin. So even from the shop, what we are getting, I am not sure how much percentage of curcumin in that. So to for that, to avoid to get the full amount of curcumin, it is good to you cultivate your own turmeric. Then after that, what I do, I just peel off the skin and grind it with one or two pepper, and I put it in the refrigerator. That curcumin, I am using it for my curry, and even sometimes I take a little portion of it, mix with the yogurt, and I take it. That is to get all the effect of curcumin. Like, it is very good for anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. I don't want to lose any of that curcumin products from the turmeric. So that's what I don't boil it, I don't dry it, I just grind it, keep it in the fridge and use it. So I'm showing you guys because there's a lot of people ask me how to cultivate the turmeric. So that's why I'm telling, get one piece of like this from the Fiesta, take off this and get a pond, or you can put it in the ground and cultivate it. This is the right time to do it. Do it. So by next year, by this time, you will be getting plenty of turmeric. Okay, thank you for watching. I think this is helpful for you guys, and if you have any suggestion about it, or if you have any different way of doing it, let me know.